Welcome. This tutorial is about managing contacts in Microsoft Outlook. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a new contact. To create a contact, go to File menu, point to New, click on Contact. Fill the details of the person you want to add to your contacts. After filling the details, select Contact tab. Under the Actions group, click on Save and New. You have added a new contact. To see the list of your contacts, click here. To add a new contact, double-click here. Fill the details of the person you want to add to your contacts. After filling the details, click on Save and New under the Actions group in the Contact tab. You can see you have successfully added a new contact to your Outlook profile. Currently, you are viewing your contacts as business card. To change the current view, click here. You can select address card, detail address card, phone list. You can also sort your contacts by category, company, location, and Outlook data files. You can also search the contacts in the search box. Say you want to search for Rowan. Type here. You can search the contacts from the search box. Say for example, you want to search for Dhawan. The contact search results will be shown below. This is how you can search a contact. You have learned how to create a new contact in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you.